Welcome to Perry Homes at Homestead in Schertz, Texas, a community that blends small town charm with quick access to San Antonio and Austin via the I-35 frontage road. Homestead offers premium amenities like a fitness center, pool, walking trails, and many more, providing an unparalleled lifestyle in a prime location. Now let's explore the stunning 2776W floor plan by Perry Homes, which is a spacious 2,776 square foot single story home featuring 4 bedrooms, 3 full baths, a study, and a 3-car garage. The primary suite offers a relaxing garden tub, an enclosed mud set shower, and a convenient closet to laundry connection. The home's outdoor living area includes a large covered patio, perfect for entertaining. Enjoy the home. Hey, thanks for joining us for another awesome video. Before I forget, go ahead, you're going to find it right about here. You'll have my contact information. Go ahead and call, text with any questions you may have about this builder or any other builder that we are going to show you. Believe me, we are the specialist here at Good to Go Realty to make sure that you are guided through each and every step to home ownership, making sure that we're finding the right home for you. And we understand you have unique needs and situations. And believe me, we are listening and wanting to make sure that we get you through each of those unique steps to home ownership. Whether it is your federal student loan debt, you need to get that lowered. You want to use your VA home loan benefits. You have a down payment assistance need that we can find a solution for. Whatever it may be, just know Good to Go Realty is your new home solution. I cannot stress it enough. So go ahead and give me a call, text, and we will walk you through each and every scenario, making sure that we're getting you in the right home that fits your lifestyle, that fits your budget, and that fits the right side of town just for you. Have a great day.